Yo, what's good, everybody? Bassdropkeys, your friendly neighborhood Negro. In today's video, guys, we're going to be making one pot Longhorn turkey and black bean chili with jalapeno and smoky red pepper crema from HelloFresh. If you guys don't know, HelloFresh is where you can order different recipes and actually cook them yourself at home. They send you everything that you need for the recipe. All you have to do is prep it, cook it, and eat it. So today what we're going to do, like we always do on the channel, is we're going to show you that you can literally make anything that you want edibles. So today we're making some great infused turkey and black bean chili. So let's go ahead and get into this. The first thing that we have to do is we have to prep everything so that we can get ready to cook it. We're going to wash and dry all of our produce, which we've already done. Right now what I'm doing is I'm thinly slicing the scallions, and we're going to separate the white from the green. After that, we're going to thinly slice half of the jalapeno into rounds, and then the other half of it we're actually going to mince up. A little pro tip for you: if you don't want it to be as hot, go ahead and remove those seeds out of there, but I'm going to keep my end because I like that little kick up. But if you don't want it to be as hot, remove those seeds. And the last thing that we're going to do is I'm just going to roughly cut up this tomato, one red tomato right here. Once you have that done, the prep is already finished, and let's go ahead and get to this cooking and make this chili. Alright, so the first thing that you want to do is you want to put 2 teaspoons of oil inside of a large pot over medium-high heat. The oil that I'm using is the coconut oil that we made with the On Rock. You guys seen that right here on the channel. To that, we're going to add our white scallions, and you want to add as much of the minced jalapenos as you want. I told you guys I want to kick mine up, so we're going to use all of it right here. You're going to season it with salt, and you're going to cook it about 4 or 5 minutes until it's softened. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add our ground up turkey and our Southwest spice that you can find in the HelloFresh packet. You want to add it in, season with salt and pepper, and we want to cook it, breaking it down into smaller pieces until the turkey is browned and cooked thoroughly. It's going to be about 4 or 5 minutes. Now what we're going to do is we're going to stir in the chopped tomato that we did earlier, the tomato paste and Tex-Mex paste from the HelloFresh pack. We're going to all put it in there, and we're going to cook until it's slightly darkened, about 1 minute or so. Once that's completed, we're going to add the beans with all the liquid. We're going to add the stock concentrates, and we're going to add a half cup of water. Adding a little bit salt and pepper just to season it once again. Bring it to a simmer, and we're going to cook it until it thickens up. It's going to reduce. It's going to be about 8 minutes or so. But once you have it simmering, just keep it right there, and it'll cook down in about 8 minutes. If by chance your chili is too thick, you just want to add another splash of water just to loosen it up. But it should be good after about 8 minutes. So now our chili is complete. All we have to do now is put our chili in a bowl. We're going to top it with that smoky red pepper crema, those green scallions, and a couple of those sliced jalapenos. As you can see, we have a beautiful bowl of chili right here. Homemade recipe courtesy of HelloFresh. The only thing that we got to do now is we got to taste it. Let's do it. All right, guys, so as you can see, I grabbed some crackers. Man, I got to say, this chili is really good. It's super smoky. There's like, I don't know, it's like depth to it or something like that. You know what I mean? It's like layers of flavor. Really good. Got some kick to it. I really enjoy this. So, HelloFresh, if you're watching, sponsor the channel. I appreciate you guys. I'm out. So guys, that's it for today's video. Don't forget that we moved over to a schedule. I will be posting new videos every Friday at 5 p.m. Eastern. If you need a magical butter machine or any other infuser, come over to the site shop.goodeats420.com. If you like the video, don't forget to give me the thumbs up. Hit that notification bell so you get every notification when I post every week. And until I see you guys the next time, peace and good eats.